Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to put a Dunkin gift card on the app. First, ensure that you have the latest version of the Dunkin app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create or sign in to your Dunkin account. If you don't have an Dunkin account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, then sign in using your credentials. Open the Dunkin app and look for the section related to rewards or perks. This is usually represented by a tab or icon at the bottom of the screen. In this section, you should find an option to add or reload a Dunkin card. Choose this option. Enter the required information from your Dunkin gift card. This typically includes the gift card number and the PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it's an e-gift card. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Dunkin account. And that's how you can put a Dunkin gift card on the app. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.